Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good.
Hi guys, welcome to my empty house.
You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jody. Hi guys, me wanna kuchapa na potea na kuja na potea, and I think it's mainly because you guys don't view my videos. But for the few of you who watches my videos, I'm really grateful that I have you in my corner. But guys, I'm so excited because today is the 29th of July, and I just came to clear the rest of the balance as I wanted to mop the house before I move in. But guys, they've told me for reception that I don't need to necessarily wash the place dry because what I know share when I move in. Like the first wash would be on them, like they will just wash the place, clean the glasses, because the glasses are pretty dirty, which I'm going to show you guys in the video. Welcome to my official empty house tour. I'm so excited about this journey. I can't wait to decorate this place and just make it look more homely, and yeah, you guys are going to be with me throughout this journey. So let's start this house tour. Immediately you get into the apartment, the first thing that you come across on my right is the toilet. So I'm just going to show you guys the toilet area before we get into the living room and the kitchen and the bedroom. So let's start with the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Immediately you get in, there's a toilet. There's a mirror here. That's how I look. You can see how cute I look. And then underneath it, there's a sink, there's a toilet, tissue paper holder, there's a tissue, oh Jesus Christ, there's a tissue paper holder here, and on your right is the shower area. It doesn't come with a shower. I'm looking forward to putting those tungsten electrical showers, those big showers. I'm always obsessed with those raindrop shower heads, and so I'm gonna put one here. There's a shower tub here. There's another tub down here. There's a soap place here, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna have to get a different, it's like an organizer. I'm gonna have to get an organizer to make sure that it fits here. But yeah, that's the bathroom. I like the spacing. It's not really the best compared to the previous apartment that I was in, because the other one was a little bit spacious. But it's fine, we can walk around with this. It's not really that bad. I like it, but anyways guys, let's go on to the kitchen area. Guys, something happened when I was filming. You might have noticed, maybe let me change clothes, but I was shooting for an empty apartment house tour, but my phone fell down like a my screen was just acting crazy, but I didn't end up finishing the empty apartment house tour. So today I'm just gonna finish the rest of the video. I have already moved in, but not necessarily moved in because most of my stuffs are here. But I'm just gonna scooch them back so you guys can be able to see the empty apartment house tour. So I hope you're really excited to see this. I'm so excited that I'm moving in, but my day just started off with bad because just look, nimekatwa. First of all, my mirror broke. I had bought a mirror just today morning, like leo asubuhi, before they moved me. And guys, me now go back because my phone keeps on moving and I don't want it to fall down. I'm using one of those magnetic suction phone holder, and I don't want my phone to fall down. But anyway, let me just distract myself. So really by mirror asubuhi, and I thought the movers would just like pick my stuff from where I was coming from, and then we passed by the mirror place to take my mirror. And so to make sure the mirror, everything was going on so well until there was a bump in your corner, Peter, and then all I had was just a crashing mirror. Like the mirror just crashed like that. Because mama tukangalia, we accessed the damage, and it was pretty broken. Like it was broken kabisa in a way that you couldn't like try and fix it and see maybe intake somewhere else different in my house. But I used to have a broken mirror in my house, and I was scared that once a mirror is broken, you can't stay with it in the same house. You'd rather kidogo, and there's a big part of it that is still functional. You need to throw that mirror away because it just there's a lot of superstitions about it, and so me, I didn't want to stay the broken mirror in my new house. Like, I'm just excited that I'm beginning this new era. But let me not talk too much. Let me just show you guys the rest of the house. From the main door kutoka kwa bathroom, immediately you walk in, there's the kitchen space. I really love this kitchen space, especially the white counters. I love this sink. This sink is so beautiful, but I don't like this tap, so I'm gonna have to change the tap. There's a really nice counter space. It's not really that big, but it's fine. It's going to work. There's also some spaces ukuchini for just storing some of the things that I might need, especially like my nini. I always have an emergency nini gas, just in case my induction cooker does not work. I will just use the gas. Kama kuna steamer on days that there's no electricity and I need to cook, I'm gonna be able to use that. There's also a bunch of spaces up here. This is the spice counter. There's also more space up here. There's also a bunch of spaces up here. Guys, you have no idea. I'm so excited, you know? Like, I'm really excited to just move in here and make this place as homely as possible. This is the living room space. I really like the views, but first let's get into this part. There's this space in between the sitting room and the kitchen area. I think I'm gonna fit my fridge here. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but we're gonna have to try. But if I put my fridge here, we're not gonna be able to see this beautiful shelves here. But I don't know, we're gonna figure it out, because my fridge is very tall. It's very tall. Actually, here it is. This is my fridge. You can see how tall it is. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but yeah, this is the living room space. You can see this wide open windows. You can see the view is just so stunning. And this is the TV area. There's Wi-Fi there. There's some sockets. So many things that I want to do in this house. There's so many renovations that I want to do. Even that light over there, I'm gonna have to change it into a better looking one. Like, come on. But anyways, then we're gonna go to the bedroom. This is the sitting room area and this is the bedroom area. Immediately you get in, there's a view. Don't mind this. Immediately you get in, there's a view again. You can see the view is just so stunning. And one thing I don't like about this apartment, I'm gonna speak this too soon. One thing I don't like about this apartment is the living room area space. Like, it's just so tiny. Apo kieka kiti is just done. Apa you can't do more than either 2-seater or 3-seater. That's the most you can do, because this space is just so tiny. If you buy an L-seat or something, it's just going to go all the way to the kitchen. This is the space. I'm gonna have to change the lighting here. I'm gonna mount my TV here as well. There's this space also. This is the closet area. You can see, I love the brown aesthetic going on. Let's see what's inside. Guys, I have so many clothes that I don't think that they're gonna fit here. I highly doubt they're gonna fit here. But that's the closet area space. It has some spaces down there, and some space up there. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna clean the space and probably just put some things where they're supposed to be. My friends are supposed to come and help me fix my bed. So yeah, let me get right into it. But thank you for watching this video. I'm so excited about the things that I want to do in this apartment and the elevation and just I'm just gonna enjoy being here. Also, being a content creator, this is gonna be so amazing because I have a space where I can shoot content really nicely. My previous house it just demotivated me to shoot like lifestyle content. But right now, be ready for me. Prepare to be sick of me. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna be posting every Fridays. So right now I'm gonna start a new vlog for just the moving in experience and the things I'm gonna buy and the things I'm gonna change about this house. But yeah, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.